In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a WordPress site. If you want to start over with your WordPress.com site and clear things out from the settings area, this process is very straightforward. Just make sure you're working on the correct site before you continue, because resetting a site is something you'll want to approach carefully. To begin, open WordPress.com and go to the Sites section. This is the main area where you can view and manage the websites connected to your account. If you have more than one site, take a moment to confirm which one you want to cover on so you don't make changes to the wrong website. Once you're in the sites area, click on the site you want to reset. This will open that site's management dashboard, where you can access its tools and configuration options. If you manage multiple websites, it's a good habit to pause here and double check the site name before moving forward. After selecting the site, click on Settings. The Settings section is where WordPress.com keeps many of the core options related to your site, including general site controls and more advanced actions. This is the area you'll need for the Reset option. When you're in Settings, scroll all the way down until you find Reset. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit further than expected, so keep going until you see it clearly. Once you find the Reset option, click on it. At this stage, WordPress may present a confirmation step, which is normal for important actions like this. Read everything carefully before proceeding so you understand what will happen to the site. The key thing here is to move slowly and verify that this is definitely the action you want to take. That's the full process to get to the reset option for a WordPress site on WordPress.com. To recap, you go to Sites, choose the site you want to manage, open Settings, scroll down, and click Reset. If you're following along, while watching this tutorial, it's best to complete each part one step at a time so you don't miss anything. Taking a careful, methodical approach will help you avoid mistakes and make the process much smoother. Once you've reached the Reset option, you're in the right place to continue with resetting your site.